today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for WordPress app, or just click on search. Then here add WordPress, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on force stop, you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, you come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on your Play Store here. So then you search here for WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. You will find update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.